Okay, let's talk mean, median, and mode, and how they're super useful for social workers.
So you've got all this client data, but what's it really telling you? Let's look. Check this out. Session numbers for 15 clients. Right now it's just, well, a jumble of numbers.
So, what's the typical number of sessions? We need an average to help us plan.
Usually, when people say average, they mean the mean. Let's start there.
It's pretty simple. You just add up all the sessions, then divide by the number of clients. And boom, the mean attendance is 3.6 sessions. That's a quick, easy start.
But wait a sec. See that client who came in 8 times? That's a lot more. That's an outlier, and it can really skew the data, pulling that average way up.
So, for a more honest look, let's find the median. That's the actual middle number.
First thing we do is line up all those session numbers from smallest to biggest.
And right there in the middle, the number 4. That's our median. The outlier didn't touch it.
Okay, but for planning resources, what's the most common number of sessions? That's key.
For that, you'll want to use the mode. It's just the number that shows up the most. And in our group, that number is 5. So 5 is our mode.
So you see, each average tells a totally different story. None of them are wrong.
This breaks it down perfectly. Each one gives you a really valuable piece of the puzzle.
So the real question is, which one tells the story you need to hear for your clients?